Azure SQL Managed Identity is a feature that allows Azure services to authenticate to Azure SQL database and Azure Synapse Analytics without needing to store credentials in code. This tutorial will guide you through the concept of Azure SQL Managed Identity, its benefits, and how to use it. First, let's understand the problem that Azure SQL Managed Identity solves. Traditionally, when an Azure service needs to connect to Azure SQL database, it requires a username and password or a SQL authentication token. This can be a security risk, as sensitive credentials are stored in code or configuration files. Azure SQL Managed Identity addresses this issue by providing a secure way for Azure services to authenticate to Azure SQL database without storing credentials. Here's how it works. When you enable Managed Identity on an Azure service, such as an Azure Virtual Machine or an Azure function, Azure creates a service principal in Azure Active Directory. This service principal is used to authenticate to Azure SQL database. To use Azure SQL Managed Identity, you need to enable it on your Azure service and then configure Azure SQL database to accept the Managed Identity. You can do this by creating an Azure Active Directory admin for your Azure SQL database and then granting the Managed Identity the necessary permissions. The benefits of using Azure SQL Managed Identity are numerous. It eliminates the need to store sensitive credentials in code, reducing the risk of security breaches. It also simplifies the process of rotating credentials, as the managed identity is automatically updated when the credential is rotated. In practical terms, using Azure SQL Managed Identity can be as simple as enabling it on your Azure service and then using the managed identity to connect to Azure SQL database. For example, you can use the Azure SDK to connect to Azure SQL database using the managed identity. Best practices for using Azure SQL Managed Identity include enabling it on all Azure services that connect to Azure SQL database, using least privilege access to limit the permissions of the managed identity, and monitoring the use of managed identities to detect any security issues. In conclusion, Azure SQL Managed Identity is a powerful feature that simplifies the process of authenticating to Azure SQL database and Azure Synapse Analytics. By eliminating the need to store sensitive credentials in code, it reduces the risk of security breaches and simplifies the process of rotating credentials. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can start using Azure SQL Managed Identity to secure your Azure services and databases.